optimizing fuel delivery to the storage facility through the use of information technology. There is an extensive network of gas stations in the Netherlands. Whether on a highway or within city limits, there is always a gas station nearby. A steady, growing supplier in this industry sector is Gulf Oil, part of a more than 100-year-old international organization. So far, Gulf owns a network of more than 300 gas stations in the Netherlands. Gulf has a market share of approximately 6%. Gulf does not have its own refinery in the Netherlands. Fuel is purchased from the majors or large brands. 4 double-hulled Gulf-owned ships are used to transport this fuel. For deliveries to gas stations and customers, Gulf uses its own tank trucks. A computerized planning system in the Netgevecht office is responsible for scheduling all deliveries. Delivery routing is sent daily from Netgevecht to the TouchStar onboard computers on the tank trucks. Gulf supply boats deliver fuel to all of the fuel depots. The boats have a capacity of up to 2 million litres of fuel per delivery. Aside from these modern supply boats, Gulf also owns 11 bunker ships stationed at major ports in the Netherlands for fuel deliveries to other vessels. Price-conscious customers are also able to choose from an increasing number of unmanned gas stations that are also Gulf-owned and operated. Business-to-business deliveries are another category of services offered by Gulf. Customers in various industries such as hospitals, agricultural companies, contractors, industrial companies and, of course, transportation companies can also choose to have products delivered on location. Across the country, there are currently 250 mobile tank installations that have been loaned to companies that use Gulf products. These companies save time and money by not having to drive to other locations to purchase Gulf products. Gulf supplies quality products on location, on time, at competitive prices. At this location in the middle of the Netherlands, tanks are stocked with diesel fuel. Gulf vessels dock and unload fuel here at a rate of 300 cubic meters per hour. Employees at this location carefully register incoming and outgoing fuel and manage the usage of tank trucks. This ensures that there is always an adequate amount of fuel at every gas station in the country. Gulf has attained the quality certification ISO 9001, the environmental care certification 140,001 and the safety certification VCA. It goes without saying that the deliveries are made in accordance with these standards. After a delivery has taken place, the TouchStar onboard computer prints a receipt and the customer can check the delivered amount of fuel. At Gulf headquarters, an invoice is then sent for the products delivered. Preferably, an entire tankload of fuel is delivered at one location and the truck can return to the depot empty to load fuel for the next delivery. Truck trailers are loaded in accordance with strict guidelines. All fuel leaving the depot is filtered through a special 5μ microfilter. This further guarantees the quality of delivered product. After the truck driver has completed several administrative tasks, he is ready to make his next delivery. As a supplier of fuel and lubricants, the Gulf brand has been around for over 100 years. Since 1997, Gulf has seen strong growth in the Netherlands. With more than 300 Gulf-owned gas stations operated under the brand names Gulf, BIM and Tink, the company is strategically divided across the Netherlands. The heart of the company logistics can be found in Nederwecht. Here, tank trucks are filled with diesel or gas for their daily deliveries. Other fuels are distributed from the port of Amsterdam. Gulf owns a fleet of 45 modern tank trucks. These are loaded, driven and unloaded by Gulf personnel. A unique feature of these tank trucks is that the tanks are sealed and fuel quantities are precisely measured by use of electronic sensors during unloading and loading at gas stations or other businesses. The electronic meters and level indication systems in the installations on location show when fuel is low and needs to be restocked. Automation plays an important role in this detection process. It is not only effective but also cost-cutting. This helps to create competitive prices in these expensive times. All trucks tank the gas through the use of a tank card. Therefore, fuel is measured precisely and Gulf is notified when new fuel deliveries are needed. During loading and unloading of fuel products, drivers stay close to their trucks. If problems occur, the driver is nearby and can react immediately. Drivers transporting dangerous goods are trained regularly on how to handle these situations. Accuracy during all work activities prevents the occurrence of problems. As soon as the ordered amount of fuel has been unloaded, the driver detaches the supply hose and the vapor line. Back in the truck cabin, the driver creates a printout of the delivered amount of fuel and the administrative responsibilities have been fulfilled. Dozens of truck drivers are on the road daily to ensure that customers are always supplied with high-quality fuel on time. Gulf also has its own tank card. It can be used at a number of 3 brands operated by Gulf, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For more information about the tank card or other Gulf product opportunities or other activities by Gulf, visit www.gulf.nl.